Hey guys, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about things that you can do on Sundays to help make your week ahead go a lot smoother. These tips are just going to help you have the best week possible, so I think you guys will really find them helpful. Anyway, happy Sunday guys. Let's just get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I think is very important to do on Sundays is to schedule everything in your planner that you have going on in the following week. It's just going to help you know what your upcoming week's going to look like. That way you can prepare accordingly. So you can schedule things in like appointments, hangouts with friends, date nights, and even workouts. Also, by giving these events designated times, you're going to be less likely to skip them because they're not going to be a huge surprise. Obviously, you're going to have those things that you cannot plan, like they're just going to pop up randomly in your week, but that's okay. You know, just schedule the things in that you already know about. You can use a physical planner if you want to. That's personally what I like to use, but I know my boyfriend likes to use Google Calendar, so if you like to do your things online, then I would definitely recommend checking that out. But yeah, definitely recommend doing this if you really want to organize your week and just kind of make sure that you're not going to forget anything. So the next thing I recommend doing on Sundays is to take care of all of your busy work. So these are things like vacuuming, laundry, and just like cleaning up your whole entire environment. Also the time I like to wash like my pillowcases and also just like random towels around my house, like in my bathroom and my kitchen. It's just a really nice way to reset your week, and now you're also going to be starting off the week in a really nice headspace because now you're in a way more motivating environment. As you guys have probably heard, there's a very popular quote that goes, "A cluttered space is a cluttered mind." Plus, it's just such a good feeling to come home after a really long day to a really clean environment. So yeah, if you want to start off your week in just like a really great headspace, then I definitely recommend doing this, and you also just feel like way less stressed out. Another thing I definitely recommend doing on Sundays, just to be like really prepared for the week, is to go grocery shopping and also plan out your meals. So I actually like to plan out my meals before I go grocery shopping, and that way I just know like exactly what to buy. Also, this will help prevent you from eating out so much during the week because you know that you have a fully stocked fridge at home, and plus you have meals planned out, so this will just make your life a lot easier. So doing this obviously has a ton of benefits. You can plan to eat healthier, you can also save money and time and just like a bunch of decision making throughout the week. So I did just briefly want to mention that this is also a great day for like meal prepping. I don't actually meal prep myself, but if you like doing that, then I definitely recommend doing that on Sundays as well. The next thing I highly recommend doing on Sundays, I feel like it's kind of like the Sunday vibe, but that is practicing self-care. This is really going to help you de-stress for the upcoming week and just kind of prepare mentally. So you can take a relaxing bath, watch some Netflix, read a good book, whatever it is that you like to do. Just make sure you find some nice quality time for yourself. I feel like Sunday just gives off that really chill vibe, so I think this is the perfect day to like really focus on yourself and practice self-care. And last and final habit that I think is really important to do on Sundays is to go to bed at a decent time. This way you can start your week full of energy so that you can perform at your optimal level. To make this easier on you, because I know sometimes it's like you don't want to go to bed early because then it's going to be Monday even faster, I really recommend setting up a night routine. That way you can wind down at a good time, and that way you'll go to bed at a decent time. Sleep is so important for like so many different reasons, so definitely make sure you're getting a good night's sleep before a very busy week. Alright guys, so those are all the things that I think you should definitely do every single Sunday to prepare for your week. I think they're all so beneficial, and I think they'll just really help you guys have a much better week. Obviously, we all want to have like the most stress-free, productive, best week possible, and I think these tips will really help with that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more if you haven't already. Also leave me a comment down below, and if you do want to add anything to this list, if you think I missed something, then definitely let me know there as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!